Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G42, and in this video we would like to share the best display settings to change on this smartphone. So first of all, let's go ahead and launch the settings, as well as enter the display category. And the first option that we would like to highlight in this video is called the dark theme, and once enabled, as you can see, it moves the colors and overall interface design into the darker tones. Therefore, if the lighting around you is not sufficient, you can enable this mode in order to prevent an eye fatigue, or in order to kind of reduce the potential screen brightness or display brightness, as well as while preserve and conserve the battery or the power. So if you would like to either, as I mentioned, reduce an eye fatigue, make your eyes less tired from looking at the screen for too long, or, well, decrease the power usage, we highly recommend that you try activating this mode. At the dedicated mode page, there is also another very simple yet interesting option to have, which is schedule, that allows us to set up some custom schedule for this mode to be automatically enabled and disabled. Therefore, you can, for example, set it to be active at nighttime and disable itself, and make it so that this dark theme will be automatically deactivated at the sunrise, for example. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature, that is the night light. So let me enable it real quick. As you can see, once activated, it tints your screen amber. Basically, it achieves this effect by reducing and filtering out the excess amounts of blue light, applying warmer interface tones, and from enabling it, you also reduce your eye fatigue, as it was with the dark theme. So if you feel like your eyes are very tired from the long sessions of using the smartphone, you can just go ahead and enable the night light feature as well. It also contains this intensity bar that, as you could already guess, allows us to adjust the intensity, so we can make it kind of cooler, or crank this bar up, or should I say all the way up, and make it as warm as it possibly gets. And as a bonus, it also contains the schedule option that we've already seen at the dark theme or at the dark mode. So you can also set some custom schedule for this mode to be turned on and turned off at. The next feature, the next configuration that we would like to highlight is called colors. It allows you to choose between two available color presets, so natural and saturated. I'll go with saturated probably, because I think that the juicier the interface colors are, the more, well, the better it is for me, I guess. And I just like my screen, my display to be as vivid as it is humanly possible. Not only we have these two presets, as well as convenient preview picture to realize and understand what does the colors that we have set will look like exactly, but also this color temperature bar that allows us to regulate the color temperature from cold all the way up to warm. Alrighty, so moving on to the fourth and final option, the display setting, the display feature that we would like to share with you, that is called Big Display. And once enabled, let me lock the screen to demonstrate. So once activated, it makes it so that even once your screen is locked, it shows some brief data like time, battery state, date, day of the week, as well as if you'll get any notifications, they can also be displayed at the Big Display. So basically, you could already guess that it's kind of an always on display feature, but in this case it is way simpler and called Big Display. We can also open the settings and configure them. For example, choose the clock style, and each clock style can be slightly customized, even though it's not a lot, but still a very pleasant feature to have. Here we can generally decide whether we want for the big display background to be animated. Tap to wake. Toggle is also present, so basically unless we tap on the screen, it will not show the big display once it turns off. The vibrate on touch feature, as well as the safe reply and block apps. Therefore, the apps that you will block or add to this blacklist, the notifications from those apps you will not get. They will not be shown and displayed at the pick screen or pick display. And the safe reply, as you could already guess, is just another security measure that you can set up in order for other people not being able to get any kind of access to the notifications that you get. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.